What's going on, guys? This is Abide here, back with another Pokemon video. I'm back again with my brother. He's gonna be opening up today with me.
Yo, what's up?
He actually got a pack this time. This one here is his.
I only got one, I'm poor.
Yeah, but anyways, we got around to finally opening up Unbroken Bonds. Yeah, so we're just gonna get right into it. But before I start, just wanted to say, follow me on Instagram at Abide's Pokemon and Twitter at Abide Pokemon. I'll put it up on the screen and in the description. So yeah, be sure to do that. Also, if you enjoy this video, definitely make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So let's go ahead and get right into it. We're just gonna go ahead and get all the packs open. Make it easier to open up. So here's the 3 from the blister right here. I'll give you guys the code card. Alright. Let's get this one open now. They like put some kind of like plastic wrap around this. I don't know if that's for everyone or if that's a new thing or something. Because I didn't think they always did that, right?
Nah, this is the first time I've ever seen it.
Yeah, that's what I was
hard to
thinking.
get off, though.
Mine kind of peeled right off. Alright, so there's my packs. We got two more things to look at here before we start. I think it's 4 to the front for these two. Here's the coin.
Yep.
Pretty cool coin.
This is my pack.
Oh, so I think we got one of every artwork. Ooh. And then here's a Typhlosion promo card. Pretty good. Alright, so yeah, we did get one of every artwork, so that's pretty cool.
Nice.
I'm going to go ahead and start off, and then my brother's going to do his pack. So we're going to start off with the Lucario Melmetal, I think that is. Let's get right into it. Code card. I think it's 4 to the front on this one. Yeah, alright. So we got the Leaf Energy, Dodrio, Raticate, Weepinbell, Lickitung, Venonat, Spearow, Jigglypuff, Krabby, Reverse Hollow Oddish, and the rare is a Hypno. Alright, you want to go ahead and do yours?
Here's my pack.
Champ. I don't know who the other Pokemon is.
Let's open it like that.
Yeah, 4 to the front.
Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. And upside down. Here we go. Energy. Frog.
Can't see it really here. I'll help
There
you
we
out
go.
there. Frogadier.
The first one was just this energy.
Yeah, just that water energy.
Frogadier. Rhydon. Wartortle. That was always one of my favorites. Gligar. Spritzy. Doduo. Rhyhorn. Meltan.
Ooh, that's kind of cool.
Stealthy Hood, and Sandslash.
Alright. Thought you were going to get something good, but that's okay.
Yeah, I was
You never know, those trainer cards, you gotta watch out for those, because those can actually be really good. Alright. 3 more packs to open. You might, yeah, look that up, because you never know. Alright. Here's the code card. Starting off with the Fighting Energy. Got another Dodrio, Raticate, Weepinbell, Krabby, Tangela, Oddish, Wooper, Cottony, Reverse Hollow Caterpie, and the rare is a Quagsire. So we got 2 packs left. I'm going to save the Charizard one for last. Obviously because we want to pull the Charizard. Alright. Here's the code card. Alright, so we got the Leaf Energy, Frogadier, Rhydon, Wartortle, Rattata, Goldeen, Alolan Diglett, Slowpoke, Litten, Reverse Hollow Melmetal. That's a pretty nice card. That's a Reverse Hollow rare. And an Alolan Dugtrio for the rare. So we got the Alolan Dugtrio and the Alolan Ditto in one pack. Nice. So we got the last pack here. Favorite artwork, obviously, the Reshiram and Charizard. Can't go wrong with that.
Hopefully we're gonna pull that card.
Hopefully. Like I said, geez, the pulls on this set have just been really bad. Like, that's what I've heard. Alright, so we got the Metal Energy, Beastbringer, Hitmontop, Gliscor, Carvana, Togepi, I love Togepi, Esper, Squirtle, Rhyhorn, Fire Crystal, Reverse Hollow, and the rare is a Meowstic. So unfortunately, the pulls today were not too good.
Not in our favor.
Yeah, we got the cool promo card though. So Typhlosion's actually one of my favorite Pokemon, so that's why I picked the Typhlosion blister pack. So yeah, anyways, that's gonna wrap up this video. Hopefully we get better luck next time with Unbroken Bonds.
Yes.
Anyways, remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed, and we will see you guys next time.
Peace.